Hi everyone. Today we're going to use some package manager. What package manager does is basically simplify our installation and uninstallation and upgrade process. Example, if you go and look into Linux operating system, what we do basically is if it's Ubuntu, just type apt-get search and search for a package and install it. Something similar, we do have a kind of for Windows as well, which is an open source software which can be used as long as you don't have any restrictions in the organization. Yeah, that is software name is called Chocolatey, which you can use it. So for now, I got one Windows blank system. It doesn't have any installation. I'm going to install all the required softwares by using Chocolatey in this case. So let's start and try to use the Chocolatey to install any softwares and remove it. Yeah, Chocolatey. If you go and type Chocolatey in Google, you can find the Chocolatey software and you can say try now. Should be able to see here the installation steps, which is a single command which you can use it as a install Chocolatey on individual use. So I'm going to take this command, copy this command and type it is in PowerShell. If you see, first ensure that you are using administrative shell. So let's say PowerShell run as administrator and run this command. This command will basically install all the required uh, the components for Chocolatey. So you will get a command after this installation, which is a Chaco, which you can use it. So now if you see, it is downloading required components and getting installed in your local system. Yeah, so it is done. So now if you type Choco, see Choco, after the installation, Chocolatey is now ready. You can use the Choco command, Choco slash question mark, or you can type slash question mark. It will give you all the options, whatever we have for Chaco command. In this case, it is, yeah, it is giving a lot of options, whatever is available. Let's say you want to search for a package, like a Chaco search, mm, Notepad, maybe Java. Chaco search Java. What happens here is this will basically look for a softwares. There is a soft directory where it is going and searching for all the list of softwares. From there, it will list you, it will search and find you the list of results, whatever we have. Now, if I go back to, it's a bit hard here as it's showing a lot of software names when I search Java. So let's go and find it out from the web console itself. If I go to community, find packages. See, find packages. You can type here, I understand. You can type here JDK 21. So if I type JDK 21 or any software, you can type Notepad++. Yeah, if you want to install Notepad++, this is the command. You can, if I click on Notepad++, it will give you the command, what command you need to use. See in Chaco install Notepad++, Notepad2-mod. If you want to upgrade, you can use the same command with upgrade. If you want to remove, you can use the Chaco uninstall Notepad2-mod. So install, upgrade, uninstall. Anything you can do uh, with a single command. So let's go and look for, I want to install a Java. So let's go and look for JDK 21. I'm looking for Tumarin JDK 21. So let's pick this, or you can say Oracle JDK, Tumarin JDK, and Caretto JDK, whatever the version you like. Let's pick the Tumarin. So install, upgrade, and install. I'm going to install. So it's like in our previous video, we saw that how to install a Java from zip file and MSI file. It's like a single command to install a Java. So Chaco install Chumarin. This will behind the scene what happens is this will download the required softwares from internet and get it installed for you and get it added to the path. Do you want to run the script? Yes. I'm pressing A. So that if I press A, I don't think it will ask for any further questions. Now, if you see, it's downloading the required MSI file from internet and get it installed in unattended mode. It won't prompt for any kind of options. So what it is doing is it's downloading the same MSI file from internet, but it is executing in a unattended fashion. It doesn't it doesn't ask you for any kind of, what is the location, whether do you want me to add it to the path, whether to user path or system-wide path. It doesn't. It will automatically install and get it done for you. So now if you see the installation location, this is the installation location, and it has been done. Tumarina is been installed. Now if I type java-version, it's not recognized. Let's reopen the command prompt. You can see here 21.05. Now it is because of it has been installed with Tumarin 21.0.5. And if everything remains same, like if I go to add or remove programs, you can see the JDK install. This is how you install. It doesn't matter like what you want to install. Example, if I want to install, as I install JDK, if I want to install Maven, same thing. If I go to packages, search for Maven and say Maven 3.9, Chaco install Maven. Let's go to PowerShell, Chaco install Maven. This will install Maven. So it's a single command which you can use to set up your entire development environment. Okay, it's not been installed yet. Yeah, it is done now. If I reopen the command prompt, mvn-version, echo. Let's see what other stuff it has been set up. Did it set Java home? Echo percentage Java underscore home. Let's see. No, it didn't set up a Java home. I mean, Chaco didn't set up a Java home. If you want, you can set it up on the environment variables. It's just only installing and MVN version as well. Let's see whether it did set Maven home or MVN home. No, or Maven home. No, it didn't set up. It's just only the installation and making sure that it is been set with the required parameters. I mean required path variable and making sure it is available for you to execute any commands, whatever is available from the package. So we got Java-version and Maven-version and both the softwares installed from Chaco. At any time, if you want to uninstall, just say Chaco remove. Let's say this here for Maven. If I want to remove, the instruction is here, uninstall Chaco, uninstall Maven. Go here and just type uninstall, and the same thing for JDK as well. Yeah, Maven has been successfully uninstalled. Chumarin uninstall. Suppose if I go with the older version, same thing for upgrade as well. Please do try. In case if you have any questions, please do comment in the video. I'll try to answer it. Yeah, this is how we install we manage the softwares in Windows by using a Chaco. So we do have an alternative now, which is provided by Microsoft itself, which is WinGet. So by using WinGet, you can perform the same thing, but the library, the number of softwares what we have is less when you compare it with Chocolatey. Yeah, so that's where still Chocolatey is very popular. Please try to explore and set it up with the required softwares in few. It doesn't take much time, few instructions which will set you up with required softwares, whatever you want. Yeah, behind the scenes, how it happens is there is a PowerShell for installation, there is a PowerShell for uninstallation upgrade as well. What it does is executing the PowerShell in the Windows, and as part of the PowerShell download and performing the installation in an unattended fashion and removing and whatever the activity we want to perform. That's what it does. Yeah. Hope you like the video. Please do share, subscribe. Thank you.